Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so we are just about to increase 80 by 10%. This is a very common question. It comes out almost all the time. Increasing quantities by, so increase 80 by 10%. So solution, increase 80 by 10%. You would agree with me that 80 here is representing a whole, like I used to say. 80 here is representing a whole. It could be 80 meters, 80 kilometers, 80 kg, 80 liters, 80 anything at all, right? So we are increasing this by 10% of this again. Yeah, so how do we do that? This is going to be 80 plus 10% of 80. This is the first step. So second step now, we are going to what? This is going to be 80 plus 10% is what? 10 over 100. So if you have been following my videos in the previous episodes, you would agree with me that I said off means what? Times. Yeah, I know you said that too. Yes. All right, so off means times. This is 80 plus 10% is 10 over 100. Off means times 80. We can as well say this is 80 all over 1, right? So let us cut. 0 can go, 0 can also go here. So we successfully cut through. So we have 80 plus 1 times 8 is what? 8, still in our bracket. 1 times 1 is what? 1. Then close your bracket. So we have 80 plus 8 divided by 1 is, which is what? 88. Now we've just increased 80 by 10%, and then 10% of 80 actually is what? Is 8 itself. So 80 plus 8 gives us 88. All right, so we are just about to decrease 90 by 40%. How do we do that? It's very, very simple. So solution, 90 to be decreased by 40%. First and foremost, I taught you already how to increase quantities by percentages, right? So here we are going to what? We are going to decrease this time around. How do we decrease that? So it's the same thing as 90 could be representing a whole, which is 100%. So we want to decrease this circle to have maybe something like, I'm just guessing, maybe something like this, after it has been decreased by 40%. All right, so we do this. This is 90 minus 40% of 90. So this is 90 minus 40% means 40 all over 100. Off means times. I say this almost every time, right? So this is off means what? Times. This is 40 over 100 times 90 all over 1, right? So this is 0 cancels the 0, 0 also cancels the 0. So we have 90 minus, into bracket, 4 times 9 is 36 all over 1 times 1 is what? Is 1, right? So this is 90 minus 36 divided by 1 is what? Is 36. So what's going to be our final answer? 90 minus 36 is going to give us 54. All right, so we're just about to change 3 over 4 to percentage. Yes, this is very, very simple. Solution. So we have what? Changing 3 over 4 or any fraction to percentage, you just have to multiply by 100 over 1. So here we have what? 3 over 4 times 100% or 100 over 1, which is what? Which will now give us 4 in 4. 4 will go in 4 once. 4 will go in 125 times. So we have 3 times 25 right here. 3 times 25 all over 1 times 1, and that's equal to what? 75 all over 1. So our final answer here is what? 75%. 3 over 4 to percentage is actually 75%. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, as well as turn on the notification bell. With Uncle Jewel Academy, every child is a genius.